Hello guys, it's me Sandwich. Today I will show you how to make your cursor look cool like this. So first, go to the link down below, which should bring you to this website. Then search for something you like, in my case Minecraft. And choose the cursor pack you want. Then click on the big blue download button. And move the zip file to your desktop. Now create a new folder and name it however you want. And put the zip file into the new folder. Then extract the file and delete the zip file like this. Then in the Windows search bar, search for mouse settings. And click on additional settings. If you did it right, this window should pop up. Now click on save as and name your preset. And now to change the cursor, click on browse and select the normal select cursor we just downloaded. Now select the next cursor and do the same thing, but for the corresponding cursor we downloaded. While I do change them all up, subscribe to the channel with notifications on, so we hopefully will get to 2k subs till next year. Anyway, once you have changed them all up, click on apply, which is the final step of getting a personalized cursor. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Bye!